Hi, this is Mick Elliott from Electronic Specifier. I'm on the Texas Instruments stand at Electronica, and with me is Giovanni Campenella, who is the Sector General Manager for Factory Automation at Texas Instruments. And here at Electronica, Texas Instruments is introducing a one-stop shop for factory automation. Giovanni, could you start to talk us through the demonstration, please?
Yeah, sure. So here we're showing basically how we are gonna, enhance automation in the factory, right? So imagine now in the factory you have a lot of sensors coming, from different suppliers. You have gateways, you have controllers, and all of those sensors, they talk, different languages or different protocols, right? So what we are showing here, how you're gonna make sure that those sensors, talk to each other, understand each other, to, enable, smooth operation across the factory floors. So here, starting, with this demo, what we show is you have different industrial protocols, Ethernet IP, EtherCAT, Profinet, and with our new release M261 microcontrollers, across or among other that we have already released over the past years, like M24, M64, we are able actually to read different types of protocols and upstream, and then we communicate downstream via IO-Link, to the sensors. And I think what is unique really is, the TI, as the hardware, but now we're also able to provide, the software. So we have certified stacks. So for the customer, it will be really easy, to just get, the TI hardware and then run the software on it and have, as you just said, a one-stop solution.
Okay, and you cover multiple protocols, yeah?
Correct.
So we're looking at Ethernet.
So yeah, these are common industrial protocols. So as I say, Ethernet IP, EtherCAT, Profinet, and those are communicating to a gateway that you have in the middle, and then the gateway has an IO-Link master, 8-port IO-Link master, so you can connect up to 8 sensors or actuators that are spread around the factory floors, right?
Benefits for customers of this are what? System costs? You lower system costs for this?
Benefits from the customer is definitely cost. As now they have only one suppliers, right, that provide again the hardware. And when I said the hardware, I'm talking about the microcontroller and processors, and microprocessors, but also I'm talking about the physical, the PHYs, right, the physical layers. So we offer Ethernet solution, 100 megabits. We have also another demo that shows single pair Ethernet, and we have also IO-Link PHYs, right? And then, as I said, on top of the hardware, we have this software, right? So we provide certified stacks, so customers doesn't have, or doesn't need doesn't have to write the software, doesn't need, software suppliers, so they can just come to TI and we provide the complete solution.
So pretty much they can, for want of a better way of putting it, go away and plug it in and off they go.
Yeah, basically will work like that.
And the microcontroller you mentioned, is that available now?
So yeah, we have already a family that is available since many years, but we just released actually, as of yesterday, the M261. This is an ARM core RF5F solution that can run, as I say, multiple stacks, the IO-Link master, and on top of that, the application software.
Does this help with things like predictive maintenance?
Yeah, so actually what we are showing, there is this other demo here behind you. They're showing a time-sensitive network. So what is this about? Is really it's a protocol that allows synchronization across different nodes. Imagine you have a conveyor belts and you have a different robots arm. You want to make sure that those are synchronized to each other so that your full production line is running smoothly and efficiently. And you also make sure that you don't have downtime, right? And that's basically how you're gonna predict, when you need to maintain your production line.
What about things like functional safety? Is that built in?
Yeah, so some of these devices, like the M24, has functional safety. So we basically can demonstrate, or we can be in functional safety application, and that's basically what we are showing also here.
Okay. And do you need certification standards for the functional safety?
So yeah, usually we work, for example, with third party like TÜV that assess our devices if they can be used in functional safety application, and then we provide documentation that eventually will help customers to have those products in their solution.
Okay. And the data collected from the sensors, where is that saved?
Could you repeat?
Where is it? The data that comes in from the sensors, does it say? Can you save it to the cloud, or does it go to the operator?
So yeah, the sensors, the data goes to the gateway, so via IO-Link, and then the gateway communicates with the controllers, and then the controllers, they go to the servers, they go to the cloud, and here you have multiple options. You can have a wired connection via Ethernet, or you could have, for example, a wireless connection, right, via whatever protocols customer would like to have, right, Wi-Fi or any others.
And just to give us an example, this can work with kind of autonomous manufacturing or robotics. Does it cover all those applications?
Yeah. So as I said, right, on the downstream, at the factory floor, right, you could have any type of sensors, actuator. So it could be robots, it could be a conveyor belt, it could be a CNC machine, right, or even a textile machine, right? Okay. So, and that's basically right how this or where this will be applied, right?
Giovanni Campenella, thank you very much.
Sure.
Thank you.
Thanks to you.